Hi, my name is Jaden Atkins, and I'm an attorney with Legal Aid of Arkansas. I work in our economic justice work group, which focuses on public benefits, among a couple of other areas. And we've really appreciated, especially in the last year, our partnership with the Arkansas Coalition of Marshallese, specifically finding SNAP clients as well as Medicaid. COFA citizens are newly eligible for SNAP as of March of last year, and we've seen some problems in the process develop as Marshallese folks have gained access through those changes to SNAP, and we've really appreciated the partnership with ACOM sending folks over to us who've been denied SNAP, some of them multiple times. Some of them have tried appeal processes on their own or with some of ACOM's help, and we've been able to have some success with assisting them getting through the process, getting through some of the administrative barriers, language barriers that exist even for people who don't have additional language and cultural barriers, but it's even worsened when you do have those barriers. So we've really appreciated that partnership, being able to identify those people who are particularly in need of our assistance. So while I focus on public benefits primarily, we have attorneys that help with all sorts of issues at Legal Aid. We help people who are going through domestic violence seek orders of protection and divorces from partners. We help with consumer issues, like whenever you buy a car on a kind of a raw deal, bankruptcy. We see issues with employment, like bad labor practices, education laws, so like special education issues, and we see evictions, housing, fair housing issues, and we help people with legal issues in all those areas. If you aren't sure whether something is a legal issue, we always welcome people to call us, contact us. We have Terry Davis, who's our Marshallese liaison, an interpreter available to assist.